Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to do a little bit more work on my wife's Honda. So basically just the other day the heater controls went out. So on position,
protection.
1 doesn't work, no 2, no 3, but 4 works. She was saying that 2 was working or 1 was working at one point and she lost the other 2. But now we've just got that. The biggest thing that could be is usually the blower motor resistor. It may be the switch. Obviously the blower motor is still working. I bought a new one of those just in case, but we're going to try and see if swapping out the blower motor resistor does the trick. Mostly because that was cheap and I could find one. I have no idea where to buy this switch. I couldn't find it online. I might have to go call the local Honda dealer if I need it. But anyway, we are going to get into the blower motor resistor. So first step, we're under the glove box, is to remove this panel. We've got these little squeezy clips in there. That comes out nice and easy. And then just right there is our blower motor. And then I believe somewhere tucked in is the resistor. I think it might be this guy right up in here. Because I see wires going to it, and it looks to be the right shape. Normally the blower motor is, the resistor is easy to find because it lives in the heater box, because then it uses the fan to keep the resistor cool so you don't overheat and melt it. So yeah, it's kind of hard to see with the camera, but I'm going to reach in there and just pull that out. Well, unclip it and then unscrew it and pull it out. All right, so hopefully I can keep that in frame. I'm going to just should be a clip I can pull. Get out of bar. All right, so I ended up just unscrewing it and pulling it out first because I could not for the life of me see how to actuate this clip. But turns out it is just a squeeze it and then pull. So you squeeze down on this tab right here, and then it retracts a little button, and then you can get that off. But that's sitting up on the top side, and I really couldn't see anything. So I didn't know if it was a thing where you had to push it or lift it. Neither were really working for me. So I just took the screws out first, which you can do. Probably a little easier though now that I know this to actually just pull that, and then you've got more room for your screwdriver. I also do recommend using a stubby. I don't have any Phillips head stubbies around, or at least none I could find, so this was the best I had. This is a little bit too long, but workable. But anyway, you can hear that. I think something broke. You shouldn't be able to hear it rattle around like that. At least I don't think. So, as they say with the service kits, installation is the reverse of removal. So we're going to basically just take that, put it in its hole, put the screws back, and clip it on, and hope we've got all of our speeds. All right, so there it is. Just got those 2 screws installed, reinstalled the wires, clip that in. So now let's go check and see if that did the trick. Car on. I maybe have low. Yeah. Yep, we do have 1. It's just so quiet that I can't really tell. But yeah, we have all our speeds. Perfect. So now I just got to go put this cover back on and we will be good to go. So these little guys will tuck into those slots. And then we just press it. Press the clips into their homes. Oh, a little higher on that one. And that's it. All right, that's all for now. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.